Hey, beauties. Hey, I am here because I wanted to explain to you all what beauty throughout is all about. So, beauty throughout, if you did not know, is about all things beauty. And what I mean by all things beauty is I believe that beauty is inside and out. So I believe that we develop beauty from within, which is first, and then it comes out to present to the world. And the outward appearance piece is all the hair care, um, all types of outward beautification. So makeup, skincare, jewelry, clothes, um, even how to um, like body care for bath and body, all of that. So beauty throughout is about all things beauty. But we do believe that you are to work on your inner self where your character is built, and that needs to come out so that you are able to show those who are supposed to be connected to you that you are that person, that you are that girl, that you are that guy that is ready to collaborate and catapult your vision forward. Okay. So I want you to understand that whenever I come on, whenever I do videos, um, I don't want you to be confused because you're going to see videos about hair care, about um, uh, hair to be attached to your hair for extensions, and you're going to learn about product knowledge. You're going to learn about what's the new and upcoming uh, accessories, which I love. I love accessories. And also, I'm going to be talking to you about how to build your character. Now, I believe in the Lord our Creator. I believe in Jesus, who is the author and the finisher of my faith. And I'm a cool girl too. So, for those who don't really understand who Jesus is, who Christ is, why he came, well, I pray that my character is shown who he is when I speak to you, when I talk to you, when I meet you. I pray that that's how I presented myself over the years of some of you guys who have known me. I love to have a good time. Christianity is not dry. It's just what is helping all of us who believe to get to where we're supposed to be. Because we are kings and queens and we sit high and we are to do great things. And the way we do that is through building our character. Okay. And so as we have shifted from 2024 into 2025, that is the goal that we all should obtain. And that is to build our character as it is through Christ and how he walked and who he is. And so I have a book that I wrote about building godly character through the eyes of the Holy Spirit, because the Holy Spirit is who helps and assists us with not telling that person off because they cut you off, not uh you know doing things that are not admirable within your workplace. Not saying yes to stuff that just is not going to show that you are someone to be trusted. And so if we wanna, me and you, if we wanna get somewhere higher than where we're at, if we want to use some of the knowledge that we have and for people to want to look at us like we are that girl, that guy that they need because they've had someone who was so smart and knew so much, but they didn't have good character. They couldn't be trusted. We are the ones who believe and walk like Christ that they need. And so our character is important to uh, going into these different areas of influence. And I'm here to help you all learn how to walk in the character of Christ. Now, I know that I am not perfect, and I desire every day to make sure my character is where it needs to be. I want to not do what I did yesterday or last year, 2024, in 2025. Like, I need to show that I am who walks in good character. And I am that girl that you need to build your team up. I am that girl that you need to build your youth up. I am that girl that is here to help teach you how to walk in godly character, regardless of what somebody says. That is not who you are. Because if you say that you are walking with Christ, then we are bearers. We bear his image. We have the image on our social sites, yes, and in the streets, yes, and in our home, which is first, that we need to mean what we say what we mean, walk it out, and that is showing love. That is showing the desire that is in our heart for how we want to present ourselves to the world as we are walking as image bearers of Christ.